Hey guys! Today I want to show you one of my best experiences in New Zealand when I visited there last summer of 2019. As I am a big fan of Lord of the Rings and Chronicles of Narnia, Weta Workshop is one of the places that I really targeted to visit there. I am also a frustrated artist, so you can just imagine my excitement visiting this place. Weta Workshop is a special effects and prop company producing effects to film and television, such as Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit, Chronicles of Narnia, Avatar, and many more. There we met Kim, one of their very talented sculptors. Here is a short clip of her teaching us how we can start sculpting at home.
And unless you've got a shop like Weta, you don't have access to most of that stuff. The milling machines here are $250,000 each. You just don't have access. Tinfoil, on the other hand, is something that's in your kitchen and can be used just to quickly wump up a shape, right? Also good for capturing a lot of volume, a lot of mass really quickly. So, get a bowl, put a tiny bit of tinfoil or hot glue on it, and it glues. And that's that speed that we like. At that point, this can be rapidly crushed to a really, really fat bird. Right? So it's not the best bird I've done today, but it's a cool bird. Steel tool. That burnishes. Starts out a really rough sculpture, and then very rapidly becomes something a lot slicker, right? That is how you build a sculpture like this in 6 hours. See the family resemblance here? That's one of the fangs, or one of the teeth, or one of the spikes. And on inside, it's cardboard. So cardboard, hot glue, tinfoil will get you half of that sculpture in 6 hours. Now, arguably, I'm a good sculptor. Fundamentally, this is something kids can do indoors on a rainy day. And since winter is just about to come, that's what I'm going to be doing most of the winter. And you can cover that with several things. Paper mache. Anyone here done paper mache? That is a great material, especially for kids. Halloween costumes, really lovely theater props. If you want it outside, use this material. This is a cement-based clay, and it feels a lot like Play-Doh. You put it over the tinfoil sculpture, and then it hardens. That can go outside. So if you can sculpt that with a thin coating on it, it gets you this. This material is called High Premium, and that's the name of it there. And there are instructions and stuff online, including how to sculpt with this. I encourage you, give this a shot. It's a way to be creative, it's a way to do this in your own homes, and you don't need a $250,000 milling machine.
Isn't this amazing? Thanks for watching!